So you want to know how it is to live abroad? I will tell you my best tips, but first I need to catch a flight. Okay, so I'm back in Iceland. I just went to Denmark this weekend and a lot of stuff happened. I moved abroad 2 months ago, and this is what I want to talk about. I want to tell you guys about how it is to move abroad and still have a family at home. Because I think that when you move abroad, you have this kind of feeling that you're not going to see your family. But you are, you decide when you want to visit home. And you will have to do it. So I just went home to celebrate my sister. She had her confirmation, and also we just forgot a lot of stuff home in Denmark that we figured that we actually need here, like our tent, our sleeping bags, our climbing gear, outdoor cooking gear, stuff like this that we really need to live our lifestyle. So because we forgot all this stuff, we have made this packing list for you, which includes everything that you need when you move abroad. So please go in the description right now and get this template for yourself. It will really help you, and then we can talk afterwards. So go and download it. Okay, great. Now you have the packing list, which means that you have basically everything you need when you move abroad. You have a list of everything you need to bring, how to make money, how to find accommodation, and this is stuff that you really need to know if you want to survive in another country, You have to wear clothes, you have to make money, you have to have a place to stay. And this is the most important stuff. All you need to do now is figure out where you want to go, and then just go. Start your journey, start researching, start planning, and then just get on a flight, get on a car, a bus, a train, I don't know. Whatever gets you to the destination you want to arrive at. And then just get going, get out in the world, get some change in your life, because I will tell you, it has done a lot of difference. It has done a lot for me to move abroad. It changed you as a person, and it gives you so much experience, and you just become a better person doing this. I think everybody in their 20s, 30s, like if you're a little in doubt of what you want to do with your life, then try to move abroad. Move away from your home country, or even just the city that you grew up in, and try something new. And I really hope that you want to share your thoughts, your experiences maybe in the comments below, because I really want to start a community about this, sharing experiences, really inspiring each other to move abroad and just become better human beings. So yeah, let's grow together.